You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, so how do you say the name of this delicious cocktail made with rum and coconut cream and pineapple, of course? Alright, so Spanish pronunciation, because of course it comes from Spanish. Piña, piña, so the little symbol, the little tilde, it's called on top of the N, means that it's more pronounced like Julien, so with a ñ sound. Piña, piña, that's Spanish for pineapple. Colada, colada, piña colada is how it's said in Spanish, okay? So rather similarly, if you apply this with more English-speaking sounds, piña, piña colada, piña colada. It's easy, right? From Spanish, piña colada. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.